first thing I do when I wake up is brush my teeth. Gotta have a $1 million smile, of course. So pretty much right after I finish brushing my teeth, I don't even eat breakfast. The first thing I go on to is day trading. I go and open TD Ameritrade, and that's just because I typically wake up late, so I don't really wake up before the market opens. I pretty much wake up when the market opens, so I just brush my teeth, hop in my computer or laptop, whatever I feel like, and go into it. Today I looked at DGAS where it was kind of selling off, but I did see potential for it to make some profit today. Again, the good thing about day trading is even if a stock is going down, it really doesn't matter because I'm making the intraday plays. So pretty much, there's so much opportunity from here to here, even though on the bigger picture, the stock is just like completely just disintegrating, going down basically. But as a day trader, I'm really just making the moves from here to here, making that profit. Today, with DGAS, I made a little bit over $87 with just a quick entry. Let me just go ahead and show you guys where my trades were so you guys could get a bigger picture. I pretty much just bought in over here before it was crossing the EMA line, and bought again right over here, and then ended up selling right here. Yeah, it did keep going up higher, but that's fine. It doesn't really matter. It really just matters about locking in your profit. After I get done with a few trades, of course, I gotta fuel up. We got some oatmeal right here, putting some cinnamon in. Good stuff, gotta make it sweet. Usually around this time, that's when Sunny starts begging to go on a walk. And typically I kind of hate having to walk him, if we're being honest. But lately, during this whole social distancing era, these weird times, it's been kind of nice, to actually finally go outside. It lets you kind of reflect on your day, reflect on your trades, think about what you're going to do next, what you could have done better. So overall, I kind of have been enjoying it. So pretty much with all the social distancing going on, we're kind of limiting how often we go outside, mainly for the safety of ourselves. Also, just for the safety of others. So, we're just kind of like grouping all the activities that we have to do into like one day and like consolidating them just so we don't have to keep going outside so many times. So today we're just going to do a few errands. They're kind of boring, mundane errands, but low key, when you're just home all day, doing these errands is kind of nice to at least finally get out of the house, with everything going on. So yeah, that's what we're going to do. So we already went to the UPS store. Bianca just wanted to buy some yarn, but this is pretty much how all places have looked like with the social distancing going on. And then, of course, you gotta have lunch. Luckily for me, I got a personal chef over here. My girlfriend, she does a lot of the cooking, so that kind of helps out a lot. Of course, with lunch, we gotta watch it with a little Netflix. A lot of Netflix actually during this social distancing time, So after lunch, I pretty much hop back on my laptop or computer to start trading again. I started looking for opportunities. Where can I buy? And I mainly just take that break in between from the morning until after lunch, just simply because, I don't want to be tied down, glued, staring at a computer screen or a laptop screen for hours. I really got into day trading really for the freedom of being able to, just do whatever I want, being able to make money while at home, during this time of social distancing or whatever goes on. I'm not really limited to having to do something all day. So for example, right now I saw an opportunity. I made over a little bit above $198 trading UGAS. Earlier than this in the morning, I traded DGAS, which is actually the inverse ETF of UGAS. Now I know that might be confusing, but they basically both run in the opposite direction. So when one goes up, the other one goes down. So I kind of just trade both of them. When one's down, I'll go to the other one, and vice versa. So I took this opportunity. Let me kind of see if I could show you guys my trades real quick. Actually, I don't really, well, instead of confusing you guys with all the lines, so I got in a little bit over when it started showing the EMA line. I bought, and then I ended up selling like somewhere maybe right here. I sold. Now you can see that the stock is kind of, or the ETF is kind of selling off now. It might continue to go up. Who knows? I already took my profits for today, so it was a little bit over 80 like something from the morning, and now plus 198. So that kind of brings me around maybe close to $300 for the day, which is not too bad. Not every day am I going to be making a crazy amount of money. Some days are just simple like this, but again, you got to put into perspective. I'm doing this from the comfort of my home. I'm not really doing manual labor. And $300 in the day is a lot more than a lot of people make in a week, or whatever. So it's pretty cool that in a couple of minutes, I find these opportunities, I make a profit, and then I carry on with my day. So pretty much after I'm done trading, this is when I take the time to bother Bianca while she's doing her schoolwork. I just this is part of the day that she probably hates the most, because I do things like that. Now, as far as what I do for the rest of the day, that's pretty much it. At the time of the recording for this video, the entire state of Florida is pretty much on lockdown with this whole pandemic going around. So every business is pretty much closed, except of course for the essential businesses like grocery stores, the UPS store we went to earlier, and somehow that craft store that me and my girlfriend Bianca went to earlier so she could buy yarn. Not really too sure how a place that sells yarn is essential, but it's whatever, right? Pretty much all the fun places are closed, gyms are closed. So for the rest of the day, I'm pretty much just gonna hang around, and then tomorrow repeat the whole process again when the stock market opens. Now hopefully you guys watching this video are staying safe, not getting too bored at home, and hopefully you guys also consider hitting that like button. Now I do also want to mention that I have a free Facebook group where a community of individuals who are into trading or into finance, entrepreneurship, or real estate, whatever it is, in that niche, can all socialize, engage, and grow together. So definitely check out for that link in the description below. My name is Justin from Push and Profit, and I'm out. Peace.